Hey, how's it going? Want to do a video on how to join two carpets together. These are IKEA carpets. This particular one is called I think you can kind of see it there, a Vindom. And we've got a big space, so we needed actually twice the size carpet. So we took the two largest carpets and we're joining them together. So it's kind of a little IKEA hack video. I'm going to do one video quickly of kind of how I'm joining them, and then I'll do a short video of what it looks like when we're done. So one thing that makes this really easy on this carpet is you can see it's a high pile carpet. It's got a very busy and random design. That is perfect for joining carpets together. If you have a pattern, you can do it, you can join them, but getting it to look right is going to take a lot more effort and care to try to get it to look perfect. This high pile carpet, when you join them together, the pile is just going to mix together kind of like tangled hair, and you won't even notice the joint. One thing I will say, interestingly enough, we had an old one of this that we bought about a year ago, and we loved it so much we bought another one. They actually don't quite look the same, so we bought a third one. So we're going to use the two brand new ones that we just bought together downstairs, and we have a place upstairs for the carpet that was here. So I would suggest, if you're ever going to do this, just try to buy both carpets exactly the same time from the same bin, and then you'll most likely have something that's produced at the exact same time, and it'll match. I know it looks like it should match, something a year ago, they were the same thing, but that one had more white and less blue and dark blue, so it just looked a little different. So these two are perfect. They just came out of the same bin. $150 for each one. Maybe it's a $199. I think it was a little cheaper because we got a little sale on it, but that's a bargain. If you ever look at giant carpets that are comfortable like this, they are so expensive. So how we're going to do it? Enough talking, more doing. Okay, so what I did first is I just started at my corner. That's going to be the most visible corner. I want that to match up perfectly, so that's that corner right there. And I used kind of a heavy duty thread. This is the thread I used. Let's see if I can show you here. So this type of thread is the sort of waxed synthetic thread that you'd use in leather. And then I use one of these honkin' needles. I'd use a curved needle if I could, but I didn't have them because I broke them, both of them. And then little pinchers or pliers. And I just started in that corner. I put a stitch, and then I just stitched down a little ways to make sure everything aligns. Plus, this will be the area with the most stress, because this is the area that's not going to be under the couch. So this is where people are going to, hit the carpet, and most likely where it would start to come apart. So I got that sewn. It's not pretty, but it works. It's just a thread just a needle pattern that just keeps going around in a circle like that. So that worked out well. Unfortunately, I'm getting tired of doing that, so I'm not going to go any further. So now I'm coming on with the carpet tape. The carpet tape I bought, let me get the label here. It is called Superheated Seaming Carpet Tape, and I got it on Amazon. I'll post a link if I can remember. I'm not looking for affiliate links or anything like that. I'm just showing you how I did it. It doesn't matter where you buy it. You can get it anywhere you want to. This is nice and wide. That's the reason I like it. It's kind of got an orangey adhesive, and then it's got paper on the back. Then you just carefully put your carpet together. You want to make sure that there are no fibers coming up this direction. So you're just going to work it together. Put on your tape. I put on a little moistened towel, and then I hit it with the old iron here. So I've got a funny little Japanese iron that happens to be wireless. So we hit it with that, heat it down, and then it looks like that. I'm going to leave the paper on because it seems like the paper wants to stay there. So I'll leave the paper on, and then we'll go ahead and put down this whole section. That's kind of boring to watch. And then we'll flip it over, and I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll do a little strength test, see if it comes apart or if it holds together. So, all right, stay tuned for part 2. Hope this helps someone.